Looking to create customer surveys in Mailchimp, but not sure where to start? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to design effective surveys within Mailchimp, helping you gather valuable feedback from your audience in no time. First, let's talk about how easy it is to get started. Once you log into your Mailchimp account, head to the Campaigns tab and click on the Create Campaign button. From there, select Survey as your campaign type. This is where the magic begins. Next, choose a template or start from scratch. You'll see Mailchimp offers various customizable survey templates, which makes creating surveys super easy. If you want more control, you can also choose to start fresh and fully design your survey. Either way, the templates can save you a lot of time, so I highly recommend exploring those. The third thing is adding questions. You can add multiple types of questions like multiple choice, checkboxes, and open-ended responses. Be sure to structure your questions in a way that guides your customers to provide useful feedback. Focus on asking clear, concise questions that directly relate to your business needs. This is key to getting answers you can actually use. Next up, don't forget about designing the survey. This is your chance to make it look branded and professional. Customize the colors, fonts, and logos to reflect your brand's identity. A visually appealing survey is more likely to be filled out, so make it easy on the eyes. The fifth thing to remember is setting up your survey's delivery method. Once you've finalized the survey, decide how you want to send it out. You can either send it as an email campaign, or you can embed it on your website or social media channels. The flexibility here is great, especially if you have a diverse audience across different platforms. Afterward, it's time to test your survey. You can send a test email to yourself or a colleague to make sure everything works properly. This ensures there are no glitches or confusing elements before it reaches your customers. The last thing you need to do is set up your survey results tracking. Mailchimp provides analytics that can help you monitor responses in real time. You'll be able to see who completed the survey, what answers they selected, and other important insights to make informed decisions about your business. Now that you've got your customer survey all set up in Mailchimp, don't forget, you can try this software for free with exclusive bonuses from the first link below. It's a perfect opportunity to start gathering data to improve your business and enhance customer satisfaction. Remember, surveys are a crucial part of understanding your audience. So take a few minutes to set one up in Mailchimp today and use the insights to improve your products or services. And just to recap, in this video, I mentioned how you can create customer surveys in Mailchimp, customize them, send them out, and track the results, all with the ability to use Mailchimp for free with our extended trial.